Hi guys, I am getting ready to go to Thailand. So we're going to the airport right now. I believe in London, just outside of London. And yeah, so this is where the trip starts. I'm going to Thailand. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So I'm literally like in my hotel room right now. I'm supposed to basically be in China and get my connecting flight from China to Thailand, but there's been a delay. Like we were literally waiting for like 2 hours in the plane. No, over 2 hours. Then we had to come out. I had to get my check-in bags and everything. They got us into a hotel, but imagine we came around 10. I'm only entering the hotel at basically 1 a.m. And now we're being told our flight is for 12 p.m. in the morning. We'll see where this goes. I just don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know. Tell us what you got. Don't be shy, you're already on camera. We got the candied fruit.
There's a lot.
It's like candied honey.
Oh.
It's really nice. That's tomato. The tomato is fruit.
It's a tomato. It is.
Strawberry tomato grapes. I forgot tomato is fruit.
Yep.
How to pay?
And do you take apple cake? I think so. That's all green thing. Hey guys, we are heading right now to the strip to go out. So I'm gonna record that. Yeah, for you guys. Guys, do it. I'm in Brooklyn right now, and it's so good. Hi guys, it is our second day in Thailand, and we're going to the elephant sanctuary in like 30 minutes. We're going to take a cab there, so I'm going to show you guys that. This is like my outfit. I'm wearing a skirt, green blouse, some bangles, and just slippers. I put my hair like in a claw clip hairstyle. This is just like the outfit for now, because after we're going to go to the club to Afro Phuket. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with us. I think yesterday all I showed was food because I was just eating bears. Actually, I'm gonna take a video of the villa now because I haven't shown you guys, because it was literally night when we arrived. But now that it's the daytime, I'm gonna show you properly like what everything looks like. So yeah, come along. There. There's another room there. We have a basketball court and tennis court. It's a kitchen, another room. And like honestly, this is like a separate house. This is another separate house. Swimming pool. Hi guys, I've had to go do an outfit swap.
What's up guys, welcome back to our video and welcome to a day in the life of a few niggas in Thailand. Great!
Yeah, so like apparently you're supposed to wear like your worst clothes to the elephant sanctuary because it gets like really dirty. So yeah, that's why I want to go switch. I want to go change because of that. I'm gonna catch you guys back at the sanctuary. It grabbed it, quick, Sosa grabbed it already.
Realistically, I'm almost as tall as it, by the way.
Congratulations, Omo. Do you want a prize?
Come down. You're gonna get some.
Oh wow. So what does the skin feel like?
Rough paper.
Rough paper.
It feel like rough paper.
You haven't felt, have you?
Yeah, swing me them pics. Oh, they not be like that.
Put on your head, 100 naira, 100 naira. One banana, 100 naira. Guys, we've been in the elephant sanctuary.
We live.
I didn't pet the elephants. I don't need to pet them to know they're alive.
Fed them though?
Yeah, I fed them. One of them was really greedy. He was taking like 4 or 5 bananas and everything.
They were really nyamming.
And now we're about to go to the baby elephant. What's his name?
Ozzy. One of them.
Ozzy, yeah.
Look how small it is.
She's 9 years old, you know. Elephants, they live up to like 80 years. So we're gonna go feed her now. Okay, catch you guys there.
Take it there.
Yeah, I understand your language. He said, give him the food.
I've got my food.
Exactly.
Open. This is the little boy.
Yeah, grab him by the
No, don't touch me there. This is my no square.
Guys, we're about to see Michelle. And she's coming quick. She's coming on the mission. Oh, maybe that's why we're using the bigger leaves in it for plants and stuff. Oh, okay. We're finished at the elephants. With the elephants, we met 5 elephants. Yep. We're now going to have. Mini update. So we're literally in the restaurant eating food right now. We're literally eating our food. We're gonna quickly. It's like 6:30, and our last entry to the club is 10:30. So as soon as we eat, we have to go in, get dressed, and go back out because we're outside, like literally. Go with a camel, lady. And then.
A fucking pasta. And this is yours.
It's not food.
What it is, I thought I got a lot of food to have it, but I've actually calmed down. I forced myself to calm down. I just got wings and rice. Oh.
This is where they send all the black UK people.
Where's my thing?
I'm not getting shit. Oh, you're gonna get shit as well.
Arrest him! Arrest me, daddy!
This is actually minding.
Now you afraid of the ground.
clouds your head. Like
I like spices that like add to the flavor.
that's it. Because before I realized I used to just eat spiciness on like ego, like if that makes sense, like ego eating.
I used to go Nando's. I used to go Nando's and just have extra hot.
The extra hot is not hot.
I stopped doing that.
It's not hot, but it's just like, but do I need my chicken that hot?
Hey guys, welcome to Thailand.
Struggling with the game.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Yes, it's recording.
Welcome to our Thailand trip. How are you finding the trip so fast, Andrew? Oh, mouthful. Yeah. Are you finding the trip so far, Victoria?
Did you come and not see me again?
Real.
Oh, interesting. I'm a Lolo. Birthday boy. Yeah.
I just had to, bro.
How are you finding this trip, bro?
Exhausting. But
Be a
it's fun.
pussy. Good.
Calm.
I can't lie.
This nigga's
The only thing in the house is missing is a home
I
gym.
need to travel more.
Because me. This is me, you know. It's just me.
She's just getting a text.
All right.
I am finding this trip. I'd say a 6 out of 10 because I don't know these people and some of them are actually kind of weird.
Kind of what? Work. They kind of work.
Weird.
Yeah.
Kimmy. Weirdo. One.
All right, man.
Amma.
You're my number one fan. Yeah.
Stencil.
What's the end vote?
And then the biggest weird of them all.
Weirdo. I ain't even weird. Sorry to tell ya. I ain't even weird.
Guys, we're going to a massage place.
This is gonna sound repetitive, but Stendo is my brother. Like the first, he was like, I think one of the first guys in STC that I really became mad close with, and that bond just grew more and more and more. Like that's family forever and ever, forever and ever. Amen. There we go, Victoria. My sister, you know.
Oh, get it.
Sure you want to go in there?
Guys, oh, it's even red. Feck.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Nigga, bro, come to the street, bro. I will beat your motherfucking ass.
A few moments later.
down. Hello. Get down. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Happy birthday to you.
So guys, we're betting on. My fighter is dancing in the ring. My fighter is dancing.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick.
You know what? I'm just gonna. So pretty. Everyone right now is getting ready to sit live, and I'm not doing that. Let me show you. Because I'm scared. Like, I'm going to the ATV, but I'm going to be behind Ash instead because, again, I'm scared. Like, no. But I'm a support from the sidelines and cheer everyone on. Guys, they're all about to drop into the abyss.
Oh my what? Oh my what?
Oh, my sleeve. Oh, my sleeve.
Slap it off. Slap it off. Slap it off. There we go. There we go. That's the spirit. Slap it.
Well, let's call it pre-supper.
Wait, where's the bread?
And you're next to your mom. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. When the food is too good, it puts you to sleep. So we're heading to the water park right now, and for some reason they start arguing. Oh, we've got ball players in the background. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel energy from the planet somewhere. I got my drink, I got my music, I would share it, but today I'm bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Yeah, Jesus. I love Jesus.
Hey guys, we're at the beach right now in the water park. I have to go get myself a drink because it's so hot. That is where I'm at right now. I think there's a big ass water slide there. I will not be going on that, and I'm actually going to run for my friends because I know they're going to try to do something to try to make me go on that, and I'm not on that like at all. I just think I need to quickly add context so you guys understand what's going on, because I literally could not catch everything on camera because I was scared for my life. These two dodo heads were antagonizing the monkeys. So literally this is our last stop before we left Thailand, and all of just miscellaneous stuff. The monkeys were not going to let us leave the island. Like, the monkeys are really cheeky, like they literally can come and steal or whatever. But these were like getting cheeky back with it. So what you see at the end is we're coming on a speedboat, right? And in the speedboat, you know, when you anchor it to like the beach, we need to leave. The monkeys are staying by the anchor thing, so we can't leave. We're literally there for at least like 5 5 minutes trying to get out, whereas in other islands that we were there before, we were able to get out quickly. And that's why you just see everyone standing at the edge of the boat looking out, because the monkeys are literally protecting them. And really and truly, if we gave it to people that were antagonizing them, this wouldn't have happened. But yeah, I guess it's for the plot.